So let's start with explaining what is an enterprise browser. And really, how does it differ from standard browsers like Chrome or Edge?
Yeah, so that's an interesting question because as we know, essentially everyone has their own personal browser. They have Firefox, they have Chrome, they have Edge. There's some other ones in the market. So when we're talking from an enterprise browser scenario, what we're looking at is we're taking that personalized browser that the users know and love, and we're taking that browser and we're taking it into the enterprise, and we're understanding that a user experience is not just a hey, can I get to Facebook? It's hey, how can I get to a my work organization website? And what differs with a enterprise browser versus something, let's say a VPN or a VDI solution, is ease of use in your deployment. With a VPN and other solutions, which we'll get into, there's a lot more complexity.
Got it. So would you say you're kind of more managing the data and the application access than you are, like, say, for example, like the device or the desktop itself?
Definitely, yeah. I mean, obviously, you've got your deployment methodology as far as how you're managing that, but more importantly, how users are integrating with that application when it comes to data governance, when it comes down to what plugins they can use, and potentially where they're going in the first place.
Who would you kind of put as the leaders in this space right now?
There's two up front. I would say from a enterprise scenario, from just names on a billboard, you generally see Island is being one of the top competitors, as well as Citrix with their secure browser.
Okay. And then, like, I'm sure other competitors are going to start coming into this space. I'm sure Microsoft has some of their vision, and Google has their vision. Got any ideas about how they differ?
Yeah, so they're definitely interesting because you have your enterprise go-to-market scenarios like your Islands and your Citrix, and they are Chromium based, which means they are utilizing a stack from Google, which is also Microsoft Edge, which is Google Chrome. It's an interesting space because Microsoft is also trying to break into the market with their own solution for enterprise management. However, the way that theirs differ in the current scenarios is you have to have group policies or some sort of additional agent to manage those browsers. Whereas a true enterprise browser in the situation like Talon or your Islands or your Citrix enterprise browsers, they have their own built-in agent that will call back natively to make those changes for you.